Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to log out of Disney Plus on your TV. Whether you're sharing your account or just want to sign out for security reasons, we'll guide you step by step to ensure the process is as simple as possible. Step 1. Open Disney Plus app on your TV. First, turn on your TV and launch the Disney Plus app. You can typically do this by pressing the Disney Plus icon on your TV's home screen or through your device's app menu. Step 2. Navigate to the Profile section. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted by the Disney Plus home screen. Use your remote to navigate to the Profile icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This is where you manage your account settings. Step 3. Access account settings. Click on the Profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From here, scroll down until you see the Account option. Select Account to enter your account settings. Step 4. Find the Logout option. In the account settings, scroll down to find the Sign Out or Log Out option. This is usually located under the Profile or Settings section. Select Logout. Step 5. Confirm Logout. After selecting Logout, a confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to sign out of Disney Plus. Confirm by selecting Yes or Log Out once more. Step 6. Done. You should now be logged out of Disney Plus on your TV. You'll be redirected back to the login screen, where you can either log in again or leave the app. That's it. You've successfully logged out of Disney Plus on your TV. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.